Hello students, good morning to all of you. Myself Virender Kumar. I am physics faculty. I basically belongs to Jalandhar, Punjab, and currently I am residing here in Gurgaon, Haryana. I have passed my BTech in 2013 and I have also completed my MSc in physics with B.Ed, and I am teaching since 2013. My topic of discussion is light. Light has two nature. There are so many scientists who gave the detailed discussions about the light. First of all, according to Newton, light has particle nature, and according to Huygens, light has wave nature. We have two branches of light. One is the ray optics, second one is wave optics. In this we deal with the light based on particle nature. In this we deal with the light on the wave nature. In the 10th class, the chapter light is based on ray optics. It means we will deal with the light that is based on the particle nature. It means light consists of the particles according to Newton. First of all, now I am going to discuss about reflection. That what is reflection? According to Newton, let's suppose this is a polished surface. When the light incident on a polished surface, it get reflected back into same medium. When the light incident on a polished surface, it get reflected back into same medium. This is known as the reflection of light. This is the perpendicular. PQ, this is the incident ray. QR, it is the reflected ray. M dash, this is the normal. PQ, this is the incident ray. QR, it is the reflected ray. M dash, it is the normal. The incident ray makes an angle with the normal, that is angle I. Reflected ray makes an angle with the normal, that is angle R. I is angle of incidence and R is angle of reflection. Okay, when the light incident on a polished surface, it gets reflected back into the same medium. This is known as the reflection of light. And the next topic is laws of reflection. We have two laws. One is first law. Next is the second law. Understood? According to first law, incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie in the same plane. Incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie in the same plane. And according to second law, angle I is equal to angle R. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. If this angle is 30 degree, this will be 30 degree. If this angle is 40 degree, this will be 40 degree. These are the laws of reflection. According to first law, incident ray, reflected ray, normal all lie in the same plane. According to second law, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Is it okay? Thank you.